Hello guys, my name is Akinyemi and welcome to this channel. In this part of my video, I'll be introducing you to link building, types of link building, and the best practice for link building. Now let's proceed. First, we need to understand the types of link building. We have inbound link building and outbound link building. As you all know, link building is important in SEO, especially inbound link building. Though a lot of people lay emphasis on outbound link building than inbound link building. Link building is also known as backlinking. Now let's proceed. First, I want us to understand why we link build at the first place. And before we can get to that level, we need to understand how Google shows or gathers information and show them on the search results. When a user search for a particular keyword or phrase on the Google search engine, bots known as spiders go all over the internet to gather information in seconds. And your website can only be listed if the spiders or bots could locate or gather information from your website faster. If bots could not, or spiders could not get the information they need from your website as fast as possible, then you will not even show on search results, let alone showing on top positions of search results. Now let's proceed to inbound link building. Inbound links enable bots and humans to reach or access content on your website faster and easier, or and easily rather. Inbound link happen when you link a part of your website and link it up with another part of your website. I will show you an example shortly. For this video, I'll be using Google Blog as a case study of how inbound links work. Here are backlinks. Here is an example of a backlink. This is an external or outbound backlink. An example of an inbound link can be seen here. This particular phrase is being linked to another part of Google's blog. And that is what inbound linking is all about. If you observe very well, most of the links that you can see here, or most of Google's websites, are majorly interlinked with themselves, which means inbound links are being seen on their websites. Now, let's proceed to outbound link building. Outbound link building happens when you link or get referrals from other websites. My recommendation about outbound links, which sometimes happen organically, which means once people like your content or can relate with your content, they can actually add it to their website too in order to serve their users better. However, if you want to outbound, make sure it is from quality websites. What I mean by quality websites is high traffic websites, because that is what will aid the ranking or SEO for your website. You can also get outbound links from directories, news website, blogs, or social accounts. Thank you for watching my video. If you find any of these informations useful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In one of my next videos, I will be mentioning the best practice for link building